Coinbase is the most secure way to link with the cryptocurrency trend. It currently operates over 89 million accounts in over 100 countries worldwide. It enables you to buy and sell Ethereum, Bitcoin, and approximately 50 other cryptocurrencies. Coinbase was the first official public crypto company in the United States. Its launching dates back on the nasdaq in April and is worth $381. On the basis of the common share, the cryptocurrency exchange has a current value of $99.6 billion. So, are you ready to get the most out of your Coinbase? Let's just plunge into some crucial details to grasp the concept of Coinbase clearly. What is Coinbase? Coinbase is a powerful application that converts one cryptocurrency to another. It works as a cryptocurrency exchange to transfer cryptocurrency among different people. Coinbase aims to build a globally free assessing and sharing monetary system. It's on its way to becoming a top global brand for converting digital currency at the length of local currencies. Coinbase simplifies the process of purchasing and selling digital currencies in a modern way. Coinbase functions as a one-stop shop because it provides you with features like merchant tools, a Coinbase wallet, and an exchange. It uses a simple application programming interface, API, to develop various apps. Moreover, it also takes care of security and backups for you. Hence, it might cost you for external transactions. Otherwise, it is always free to send money between Coinbase customers. Coinbase login process. It might be daunting if you're new to Coinbase. Don't panic. It's really easy to kickstart, and we'll show you how. You must first create an account on the site to use Coinbase. To create a Coinbase login account, you'll need your social security number, phone number, and other personal information. You will add all this information to verify with Coinbase login administrators. In addition, you must add a mode of payment to complete the payment for your transaction. Furthermore, you can buy any available cryptocurrencies once your Coinbase login account is ready. Buying cryptocurrencies with Coinbase. Now let's guide you how to buy cryptocurrencies with Coinbase. Let's suppose you buy a fraction of a Bitcoin because that's probably the most famous one. However, it is the same procedure for all currencies available on the Coinbase platform. First, sign into your account. You will be brought up to the dashboard. At the top of the screen you can see we have buy or sell option. You'll see a drop menu of cryptocurrency assets that you may purchase. Choose Bitcoin from it. Decide how much you want to buy. You can buy Bitcoin in fractions too. As a result, you may spend $15 on about 0.00072 Bitcoin at its current price of $20,944.90. The minimum purchase amount is $1.99. Next, tap Preview Purchase. Moreover, evaluate the following order. Coinbase deducts a percentage of the purchase price, so it'll deduct roughly 99 cents if you are willing to buy $15. Select Buy Now. After you buy Bitcoin, you may trade it right away. However, you must wait 8 days to transfer it to someone. Selling cryptocurrencies with Coinbase. Now, let's imagine that you want to sell your cryptocurrency holdings. Here's how you go about it. On the main page, tap the Buy or Sell icon. Tap Sell. Choose the asset you'd like to sell. For example, you want to sell Bitcoin. Choose how much you intend to sell. You can hit the Max button on the page's left to sell everything. Review the website and take note of the Coinbase fee once again. Select Sell Now. How to withdraw your money from Coinbase. Suppose you've sold your cryptocurrency and want to transfer the funds back to your bank account. Here's how you do it. Tap your portfolio balance at the top of the screen from the main page. Select the US dollar as your currency. Go with the option Preview Withdraw and choose your bank account, and that's it. It takes 1 to 3 business days for the money transaction. You may also add a debit card for a quick transfer for a moderate cost. Simple as that. Now you know how to create a Coinbase account. Moreover, how to use it to purchase and sell cryptocurrencies and withdraw funds to your bank. Now let's talk about Coinbase Pro and how does it work. Traders, investors, and crypto aficionados use Coinbase Pro as a trading system. Coinbase Pro is a featured product by Coinbase Incorporated. It provides you with a simpler and safer way to exchange or trade your digital currencies and assets in various trading pairs globally. A Coinbase Pro account allows you to continuously manage diversified portfolios, monitor trading history, and keep a market value record. For this purpose, advanced traders use a detailed trading API. Coinbase Pro may seem to be designed just for experienced traders. Yet, anybody with a Coinbase account may access and use it. Furthermore, it is an active trading platform. So, any user of Coinbase Pro can enjoy additional features and order types at lower costs. After all of this information, you would like to know the difference between Coinbase Wallet and Coinbase.com. So, Coinbase Wallet is a wallet that you handle and control by yourself. So, it is also called a self-custody wallet. Different keys keep a record of the ownership of the cryptocurrency. These are private keys that are saved to your smartphone or gadget automatically. Whereas Coinbase.com aims to serve you as a cryptocurrency brokerage. You may trade your cryptocurrency in exchange for cash here. After you purchase cryptocurrency, Coinbase.com will keep it for you. As a result, to use Coinbase Wallet, you don't require a Coinbase.com account as a centralized exchange. There you have it, guys. One thing to remember with Coinbase is that the fees may add up quickly, especially when purchasing minute quantities of cryptocurrency. If you decide to invest in cryptocurrencies, make sure it's part of a well-balanced portfolio. That means preferring tried and true assets like stocks, real estate, and bonds. And yes, don't forget to keep cash on hand as well. So, guys, this is it for today's video. Do remember to subscribe the channel and like this video, and I will see you in next one.